Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano and welcome back to the channel. Today we actually have a pretty cool unboxing. Shout out to the person who actually sent out this package. It's a, just spoiler alert, it's a pair of AirPods. So I definitely appreciate that gesture. I couldn't, say no to reviewing the AirPods. Have a ton of clones back there, so I wanted to demonstrate how they would actually sound. Since I reviewed so many clones, I actually now get the chance to review the actual sound quality of the AirPods. So without any further ado, let's just go ahead, open up the box. And I just want to thank every last one of you for subscribing, and big shout out to the subscriber who sent these out. So that never happened before in the channel. Oh wow. So this is like right from the store. Like this is just like brand new right from the store. Has some weight to it. It smells pretty good too. There's like a perfume scent on here. So this is definitely pretty cool. So you can see right here, it's a little washed out in this camera, but right here we do have the real AirPods. Right here you can see on the bottom, I'm getting mad notifications here. Compatible with iOS, Apple Watch, or Mac with latest software. Right here it says. Then it says right here compatible. Let me see if you could see that. Let me see, just go a little closer. Then it says right here, designed by Apple in California, made by China. Has a charging case in here. AirPods with charging case. Then you can see right here it says AirPods with charging case. Where's my knife? Oh, here it is. Okay. I'm still getting notifications. It's really hot. I got LEDs on me. Got my tribal shirt, you know what I mean? Just keeping it real, keeping it 100. Let's go ahead and cut that right open. We're gonna peel this right open and see what's actually inside here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Damn, that's so annoying. Okay. Wow. Okay, so boom. Designed by Apple, made in California. So it's pretty good packaging here. Let me actually put do not disturb on here. Do not disturb. Boom. All right. So now we got designed by Apple. Let's take a look right here. It says AirPods. You can see right here, when you take them out, put them directly in there, you get the charge, just like we usually see on these AirPod videos, except this is actually the real deal. So it says iOS. This is definitely going to be able to work on Android. They're just not going to advertise it that way. That off to the side, and let's just go ahead, lift this up, go ahead, and you can see we do get I don't want to destroy it. Kind of went, oh wow, okay, that came off pretty easily. Wow, so this actually has the words right here that say it says right here, I'm sweating because the lights are on me. It says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Let's go ahead and lift this up right here. So you can see I just lifted that up. So, wow. We're going to go ahead and take a look at these and see if they're the truth. So you get your two AirPods in here. Definitely looks pretty good. That milky white. Wait, let me just see. Yeah, that's pretty satisfying. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. We got the connector cord right here. This is one of the longer cables, and that's definitely convenient when you want to charge from like a laptop or like a power outlet or something. Now let's go ahead and take these out. I'm gonna put both in my ear just to test out the fit. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one in my ear. Let's go ahead and put the other one in my ear. Now it's green. So let me just see. Scan. Boom. Oh wow. It says AirPods right here. Let me go ahead and click that button right there. It says connected. Right now I'm gonna open up Spotify. So let's just see right here. Boom. Apple, these AirPods work really good with Samsung products and OS products, the iPods, like all that. But let's just go ahead, test out some, let me see, Travis Scott. Let me just put that on for the first time. Let me see, Travis. Scott, boom. Okay, so let's just test that out. I'm gonna put it on shuffle and boom. Let me see. What? Are you kidding me? Wait, that was really loud. I had to turn it down for a second. Like, let me see. It started off like right here. That sounds beautiful. So I'm getting good bass, talking over myself right now. I could barely hear myself right now, but that bass is really thumping right now. It sounds good. Let me turn that all the way up. Yeah. Alright, let's test out the video playback latency. Let me see. So let's just go to this one right here. And I'm gonna see if like the lips match the words and everything like that. And I'll do a quick phone call just to see how good the quality is when I'm, you know, connecting to a phone call. Okay, so that sounds really good. The lips match the words 100%. There wasn't any delay or choppiness or hiccups when it came to testing out the sound quality. It was definitely official. So I gotta say these are really good. I mean, so far, see if we can call just do a test call. Let me see. They're calling it right now. You can see it's connected to the Airpods. It's ringing in both ears right now. Let me just turn the volume up. Sounds good. Hi, are you guys packed for today? Okay, what's the latest you think I could call to set up a reservation? Yeah, for later on. Okay, I'm gonna call back. All right. Okay, all right, sounds good. All right, cool. All right, later. That sounded really good. Conversation was really crispy. Do I got something in my eye right now? But yeah, I definitely think these are good. They fit really good in my ear. They don't feel any different than the clones, but you could hear some better bass quality, and you're getting like more fuller sound. Let me see if I could play one at one time. Let me see. I'm gonna press the music, and then I'm gonna put this one in while I'm playing the music. Let me see what happens. The music stops, but it plays again, so it's still playing with the one. So that's pretty cool. So these are the Airpods. This is my first time checking them out. I definitely think they sound really good, especially if you want to hear what's going on around you, but still get some really good bass in the background. And, you know, you could tune people out, but still hear what they're saying without missing out on, you know, important conversations of what's going on around you. But shout out to the person who sent these out. That's crazy. I never expected that before, or ever thought that someone would have the, you know, kindness in their heart to, you know, send a product out. So I definitely do appreciate this. It has like this really sweet scent on it, so that's definitely pretty cool. But honestly, I can say that these are pretty good headphones. Are they the best in the world? There's probably some that I have in my, you know, facility that are better, but I honestly gotta say these are definitely a really good product. Thank you guys for staying locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.